The onboarding process in Jolt is extremely easy. It's very seamless. Everybody filled out the list at the office and then we submitted it to Jolt, and our list was done that day and we were running it the next day.
I've got people working for me. They pick it up a lot faster than you think.
We beta tested 2 restaurants on Jolt and 2 restaurants in another platform. And the customer service that we received from Greg and team, they're amazing. We didn't get that same help with the other platform. We weren't able to customize any of the lists as we really wanted to. That didn't really work for us. Our managers, the feedback from them was overwhelmingly positive towards Jolt.
Jolt was very intuitive. These shift managers and these swing managers and these assistant managers, they know how to use that stuff. So to learn how to use it, very intuitive, very easy, and they like it. They were your biggest fans because for them, it made things easier than taking a big old manager book and checking off each item. Based on the ease of use, I was able to just go on the Jolt website, got rid of grilled chicken, so it didn't keep coming up on their digital food safety. With the other product, you have to call and you have to get them to take it off. Last but not least, the employees say that it's so intuitive. That's why we chose Jolt compared to the other product.
About content group, we all just went through a limited menu change. I was able to go to content group mode and completely take all of that off of every store within 30 seconds. I mean, it was all done.
I will attest to just the simplicity and the ease of use. I mean, to kind of figure it out. I mean, they have 43 restaurants. Getting all the employees, everything situated and organized was just a breeze.